Dear friends, I am Parvinder from West Highlander and I welcome you all in this video about Canada Study Visa Refusal Reasons. In this video, I will be speaking about some of the common reasons of refusal as well as how the students may avoid these reasons. This video would be beneficial to students who are looking forward to apply for Canada Study Visa as well as for students who have applied their visas but unfortunately have got their applications declined. So friends, keep watching for complete information. One of the common grounds for refusal of your study in Canada application is that the case officer is not satisfied that you would leave Canada at the end of your temporary stay. This could be because your purpose of visit is not consistent with the temporary stay, or the case officer is not satisfied that your proposed course is relevant to your career path, or there may be reasons that you may have not attached the complete documentation with your application, like some of the mark sheets may be missing, some of the financial documentation may be missing. So these are the reasons which may result in refusal of your visa application for study in Canada. The students must take care of some important points if they would like to mitigate the risk of their application being refused. The first one is about the course relevance and the course level. Students must make sure that they choose a course which is relevant to their current academic profile or any work experience history they may have. This is very important as the genuine student would choose a course which would add on to their career aspirations. If you choose a course which is not a logical and relevant progression of your current profile, then the case officer may have doubts about your visit to Canada. So the first rule is choose a course which is relevant to your current academic and work experience profile. Another factor which influences the success of your Canada study visa application is your English language ability. Students must have required level of English to enable them to successfully complete their proposed course in Canada. The students may attach evidence of English language ability like IELTS test scorecard or a PTE test scorecard. Applicants must ensure that they fulfill the direct English language requirements of their proposed course in Canada. Along with having the required academic and English language ability, the students must also have enough funds to support themselves while they are in Canada. The students may attach evidence like they have paid their tuition fee for first year of the course, have GIC account of Canadian dollars 10,000 to support their cost of living, as well as attach bank statements that they have available funds for the subsequent years of the study if the course duration is for more than 1 year. So this was about the requirement of funds. Another point the students must take care of is that they must not have any unexplained gap in their profile. Any gaps which are not explained and have evidence with them may result in the refusal of your application. A genuine student would not have any gap in the study unless and until there are compelling reasons for that. So this is another very important point the students must take care of. Along with this, the students must not have any adverse immigration history. If you have got previous immigration history like you have got refusal for reasons which may not be desirable, or may have provided some information which was not correct, this may cause problems with your application for Canada study visa. So these were some of the points which the students must take care of if they would like to increase the success chances of their study in Canada visa application. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. For any query you may have about your study in Canada, please contact West Highlander. We are a team of experienced and expert counselors who can help you throughout the process. Thank you.